Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're an anime lover and want to watch Crunchyroll on your Roku device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to get Crunchyroll up and running on Roku. Let's dive in. Way 1. Installing from Roku Channel Store. The easiest way to watch Crunchyroll is by installing it directly from the Roku Channel Store. Here's how. Grab your Roku remote and press the home button. Scroll down and select streaming channels. In the search bar, type Crunchyroll. Click on the Crunchyroll app, then hit Add Channel. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Crunchyroll account. That's it. If you have a free account, you can still watch anime with ads, but premium members get ad-free streaming and better quality. Way 2. Screen mirroring from Android or Windows. If for some reason you can't install the app, you can still watch Crunchyroll by screen mirroring from an Android phone or Windows PC. Here's how. On your Roku, go to Settings greater than System greater than Screen mirroring. Select Screen mirroring mode and choose Always Allow or Prompt. On your Android phone, swipe down and tap Cast or Smart View for Samsung users. Select your Roku device, then open Crunchyroll on your phone, and boom, it's on your TV. For Windows users, press Windows plus K, select your Roku, and start mirroring. Way 3. Using AirPlay on Apple devices. iPhone or iPad user? No problem. Roku supports AirPlay, so you can easily stream Crunchyroll. Just follow these steps. Make sure your Roku and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network. On Roku, go to Settings greater than Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and make sure AirPlay is turned on. On your iPhone, swipe down and tap Screen mirroring. Choose your Roku device and open Crunchyroll. Your anime is now on the big screen. Way 4. Watching via Crunchyroll website. Another way to watch Crunchyroll is through the Roku web browser. Here's how. Open a web browser on your PC. Go to www.crunchyroll.com and log in. Use an HDMI cable to connect your laptop to the TV. Or, if you have Roku's web browser X, type the Crunchyroll website link and start watching. Conclusion. And there you have it. 4 easy ways to watch Crunchyroll on Roku. Whether it's installing the app, mirroring from your phone, using AirPlay, or streaming from a browser, you've got plenty of options. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Which method worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. Happy streaming.